So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create an Experian account. So first head to your browser and search for Experian login. We'll click on this second link. Now if you don't have an account, we'll click on sign up for free. Now you will be asked to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and your phone number. Then you'll click on get started. After that, you'll go through a quick identity verification process. You will be shown some multiple choice questions based on your credit history. Answer them as accurately as you can, and after verification, agree to the terms and conditions. Then click create account. Now you have access to your Experian account. From here, you can check your credit score, view your report, and even sign up for credit monitoring if you want. And that's it. You have successfully created your Experian account.